1 oregano. You can use chopped or whole, it doesn't matter. Now, we just stir this. There's diced, there's chopped, whatever type of tomatoes you like, put them on. And then this just needs to cook. But you see all that water? That's the water that's inside the meat. So that's why cooked meat, it always weighs less. Either cottage cheese or ricotta cheese. There wasn't ricotta cheese, so I'm just using cottage cheese. Works the same. Parmesan cheese, freshly grated, of course. About a half a teaspoon. It's strong. It has like a nice it just needs to brown out. And I'll break it down with the just about done. See how it's getting brown? That's what we want. Towel.
When we're gonna drain it on paper towel.
When it's done. But see how it has just a little bit of color? We want it to get more color. So just let it. It's cooked. But it's nice to have that color because that gives you more flavor when you go to eat it.
Okay, now it's done.
To the same pan, just gonna add, that's it, stop.
1 cup?
Yeah.
Wait. Then you pour the sauce.
Because usually I have everything ready. Like the sauce is in the freezer, the meat's in the freezer. I was like gonna do, how long did it take me to make the cheese?
Spatula. Yeah. Make sure to clean the blender so you got all the goodness.
Yes, make sure you use the word goodness too, Manya. That's the important thing. Now what you can do is put a little bit of water. Can you stir that?
You pour it.
Yep, so it cleans it out for you. Waste not one, huh?
It's done?
Second layer, or just like the first layer. But we're kind of-
Yeah.
Okay, so we put down our sauce, spread it nice.
Make sure even.
Yeah, this is because your noodles aren't cooked. So this is how you're cooking your noodles. That's why it's like wetter than a normal like sauce. If you want to do an extra step and cook your noodles first, then you don't need to make it as wet, your sauce. Like you don't need as much water. You can make a thicker sauce. But see, it's important like to make sure all your noodle edges, like everything gets nice and covered, because otherwise they're gonna be like, you know when it's not cooked?
Yeah.
Okay, so we put the sauce, our layer of cheese. We're just gonna use what's remaining. So whatever you have left, I'm just gonna put that. And I still have some in here, but I'm gonna use it to fill my holes. Like once I spread it, I can see where I need. Mozzarella.
Cheese again.
Yeah. Just going to about 2 to 3 good handfuls.
If you want more cheese, you can add.
You can add as much as you want. If you like cheese, add more. You don't want cheese, add less. But 3 is like,
That's like good.
yeah, because it like covers everything. That was like, it was 2 full and 2 half handfuls because I wanted to get specific areas. Okay, now I'm going to, like that part's broken and you have the piece of it, you can just put it together and it's fine. Like you don't need to waste your noodles.
Yeah.
Okay. So just do like that. And then we're gonna put
Another.
layer of sauce only. Just be gentle on your broken noodle there.
Make sure it's all covered again.
And we're gonna cover it 375. You bake it about 45 minutes to an hour, just until your noodles are nice and tender, like they're cooked the way you want them. So you can like stab through with like a fork or a knife, like just kind of poke it, and the noodle isn't hard anymore, and you're done. And we're gonna add cheese later, okay? "45 minutes and check on it. Once it's done, we're gonna add the cheese until it's like melted and bubbly.
So
The reason I don't put the cheese on now, Grandma, she taught me this, is because it sticks to the foil and then it's just a waste. That's the only reason. You can add the cheese now, but like I said, it'll stick to the foil. I'm not trying to cut my foil too short. Okay. Yeah, see, but it's got a little crunch to it. See when I put the knife inside? See how it's got like a tiny little bite, Lissa? So it needs to go in, let's try another 10 minutes.
another 10 minutes.
See, it's perfect. It's perfect. Very generous. Don't be cheap.
Cheese makes it yummy more.
And you're just gonna add the cheese, and then you put it back in the oven until the cheese is nice and melted and like bubbly. some people, they like it golden. If you like it golden, you can leave it in longer. Like Grandma, she doesn't. She likes it just melted only, no color. Any holes? Nobody wants. All right, that's it. And then we're gonna put it in the oven for.
You don't need to cover?
No, you're gonna uncover it for this stage. That's why we didn't put the cheese from before.
Okay. So you're gonna put it how many minutes?
I'm gonna check it after 5 minutes. Ouch, that's hot.
It's done.
Get it there. There you go. Give me the camera. Turn it.